name's Jonathan and this is my 1967 Austin Mini Moke. The biggest challenge was I originally I had an engine in my garage. I had a 1380 mini engine in the garage, and I stripped it and rebuilt it and put it in the car, and unfortunately the gearbox was something wrong with the gearbox inside, so I took the engine back out and then stripped it, put it back in, and then when I put the engine I couldn't get the clutch, and then probably doing the engine was the biggest thing. It had to come in and out maybe 4 times in total. And every time it had to be really careful not to damage it, not to scratch it, and once I finally got it fired up and got the gears running through and driving properly, that was probably the biggest achievement. The second biggest achievement was probably getting it roadworthy and getting the actual registration number on there. That was a real gamble. That I was into a lot of money at this point. If the car would have become a Q plate as a kit car, I would have probably been losing money, but because it's now got the correct age related plate on it, I'm probably in front on a monetary value. Not that I'd ever sell the car, but there's too much sentiment in it, because obviously it was something me and my dad were going to do together, and I've got 2 sisters and I've got some nephews and nieces, and they all like going in it as well, and it's been really good. Yeah, I think there's a lot of people out there who do restore cars in the garages. I think when you read these magazines and you hear of people's stories, people take 10 years restoring the cars. I think it's a real labour of love. I like to personally either salvage or find a different alternative rather than going out and buying brand new. Sometimes obviously you've got to buy certain components new, but the front hub assemblies were all restored, put all the new bearings in myself, the rear brakes were all restored, and suspension components. I think there's a lot of people out there who are really clever at their jobs, and they've got a lot of time and dedication, and I think it goes to show by the quality of vehicles that we see on, in the UK in general. And sometimes you just want to shut the garage and never look at it again and forget about it, and then obviously you change your job, or you go on holiday for a bit, or you go out for something to eat or a drink, and then next time you go in there you look at it as a fresh pair of eyes, and that passion comes back again. And there's definitely a lot of love-hate with restoring cars, and I said I would never do another one, but I have also now just been out and bought another mini project, which you'll hopefully see a bit later on.